5.1. 38. What's 38 say? Anybody? 38. What's it say?
Sine of x
Sine
over 1 minus cos of x plus 1 minus cos of x over sine of x.
Okay. Everybody okay with this? It's 38. First thing we should do in this situation. Common denominator, definitely. Okay? And that's, look, I get sometimes you kids are going to look at these and be like, I got no idea. I gave you a list of 7 things. Try something. All right? Don't just leave your paper like blank. Try something and you see how it works out. It might not be the best thing to do, okay? It might not work. I don't know. But try something. Don't just stare at it blankly. But common denominator with 2 fractions is definitely a good start. That means I need to multiply this one over here by sine x over sine x. And I need to multiply this one over here by 1 minus cosine and 1 minus cosine. So this is going to become sine squared of x. And this over here, it's kind of a pain in the butt. We got to multiply them together, which means really it's going to become 1 minus cosine, like the whole thing squared, right? You're going to have to FOIL that out. Cool? So that's just going to become, if you square something, you get the first thing squared, that's 1, minus 2 times both of them, plus cosine squared. And that's all over. And you can multiply out the bottom, but a lot of times in the denominator it doesn't really help you out. Because we're going to want things to cancel out here. Okay? So the top we're going to multiply out because we got that big plus happening and we got to get everything together. So multiplying out is going to help us because we got to combine everything. But the bottom's already off. You see how the bottom's factored already? You usually want things to be factored because you want things to cancel. So don't multiply that sign in there. Leave it the way it is. And what do we see up top? Our old friend. Sine squared, cosine squared. Even though they're far apart from each other, they want to be next to each other. Okay, sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. That's a 1, and then we have another 1, so that's going to be 2. So we have 2 minus 2 cosine x over sine x times 1 minus cosine x. And oh my goodness, we can factor a 2 out of the top. Is that okay? And because I'm lazy, I'm just going to do a 2 out here. And you guys can use your magic pens and make those 1s. There you go. And what happens? They cancel because it's all multiplication. It's so beautiful. And we're left with 2 over sine, which is 2 cosecant of x. Okay? We feeling better? Yeah? Okay, and look, you're going to say, it makes sense when you do it. It looks so easy. I do it, I don't know what to do. You got to try something. You can't just look at it and think, I don't know what to do. Okay?